Hey guys, so today I'm be showing you how to use your headphones, your Magic Sing. So you see here that I have my Magic Sing right here, but there's no headphone jack. So you're like, how do I connect this? How do I use my headphones with my Magic Sing? So you see that you have a headphone like plug in right here. I just replaced it with the speaker. So yeah. So so I plugged it in. So this is the headphones right here. This is the headphones I'm using, and this is the headphones. It's like gamer headphones, but it would work. So now we put on the headphones. Let me take off my AirPods for a sec. Oh, there you go. And so now, it's a noise canceling headphone. So let me turn on my TV. Turn on, I mean. So this cord here is the headphones. Well, this is the Magic Sing. So I can actually hear it on my headphones. So let me just put the mic. So let me know if you can hear it. So so let me actually turn up the wrong way, sorry. Oh wait, let me just put the microphone like that and then wait a minute, guys. There, should be here now. The volume. Wait a minute, guys. Let me just change the. Oh, oopsies. Wrong one. I think you can hear it, guys. So yeah. So now I'm gonna be using the headphones. So I'm just put the headphones. So I can actually use the headphones. So my remote's option of controlling it. So let me put out to 50. So yeah, there you go. Okay. Dry the tears in your eye. They put out 100. Let's see. So yeah, you can hear it from the headphones. I put out the 100. So yeah, there you go. And let me just lower it back down. So so I don't so I don't destroy the speaker when I use the other one. There you go. Okay, so we put the headphones back on. So I can actually hear on my headphones and there's no problem. So let me just select the song. So I can actually use this. See? See? Use it. After some time, I finally made up my mind. Yeah, that's not how you sing the song. Yeah, I got 0. So yeah, it kind of changed the Magic Sing a little, changed the color a little. So that's fine. So yeah, this is basically if you want it on how to use your headphones on your Magic Sing. But if it doesn't have a headphone jack, I know the Magic Sing ET25KN has it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for guys for watching. So yeah, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.